Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to bring different types of underline in Microsoft Word through shortcut key. So get started. At first, open your MS document file and firstly, shortcut key underline is solid underline and keyboard press is no without mouse and keyboard press is underline. Firstly, keyboard press is 3 minus sign and keyboard press for enter. That's okay. Then I show the solid underline. And second, double underline is keyboard press 3 equal sign and keyboard press for enter. And this double underline. And triple underline is triple hash and keyboard press for enter. And then show the 3 underline. And fourthly, dotted underline and 3 star press and keyboard press for enter. And then curve underline is 3 curve and press for enter. That's okay. Then I show the bring different times underline for MS Word in the shortcut key. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.